Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Monster Legends. So let's get started. First, open the App Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. In the search bar at the top, type Monster Legends and hit the search button. In the search results, you should see Monster Legends listed usually at the top. Tap on the Monster Legends game to open its details page. On the app's details page, look for the button that says Update. If you see this button, simply tap on it. The game will begin updating. If you don't see the update option, that means your game is already up to date. And this is how you can update Monster Legends. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.